Chef, where's my fried rice? I put in for an order for a fried rice and a kimchi fried rice. What's going on? I'm working as fast as I can. You can't overload the kitchen with all those tickets and all the tables. Come on. If you've ever been yelled at by a chef or a server, let me know in the comments below. What's up, everybody? I'm Zach. I'm just a simple chef, and today we're gonna learn how to make Spam fried rice. Simple, easy, delicious. All right, so we have our hopper rice and it's going in the fridge. Let's open up our can of Spam, get it out. We're going to slice these into little tiny squares. This is the easiest way to do it. Now let's get our bacon out, and we're gonna fold it twice and cut it down into tiny pieces. We want to try to keep the same thing all the way through our mise en place. So I had leftover onions, so now we're gonna smash our garlic, chop it up, get it really fine and minced, just like that. And now we're going to cut our carrots just like this and cut them into batons. And then once again, cut them into tiny little squares, the best that we can. Uniform is key. So now we're making our sauce. We're doing 1 cup of shoyu, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to stir everything, taste it, and it tastes really good. Now we're going to put this in our squirt bottle, fill it all the way up, and now we're going to work on our garnishes. We're going to be cutting some green onions. Super fine, super easy. And then the surprise, we're also doing kimchi fried rice. So we're just going to cut up our kimchi, and now we're going to crack 2 eggs and whisk them up really well. You really want to beat these eggs as much as possible because it adds a lot of volume to it. Alright, so now that we got everything all minced out, let's talk about the rice. I use a white and brown rice mix. We call it hopper rice. Do about a quarter cup of white rice to a quarter cup of brown rice. Just rinse the rice, cook it in your cooker, and put it in the fridge. And this is cold rice. You want to use cold rice. You don't want to use hot rice out of the rice cooker or the stovetop because it's going to get really mushy. The cold rice will soak up all the juices and all the flavors will combine really, really nicely. So, onions, eggs, Spam, green onions, carrots, garlic, kimchi, and bacon, and our sauce. Simple ingredients, not too much. Alright, so we're going to add oil, just a little bit, put our bacon in there, and we're going to cook this bacon until it's crispy, and we're going to leave all the rendered fat in the wok. This is going to add flavor. So get it on a napkin, let it dry out. Then we're going to add our Spam to the smoking hot bacon fat to fry our Spam to add a lot of texture. So you just want to cook this down until everything is golden brown and crispy. And then we're going to take that out the same way, and we're going to add in our onions, saute that up for a little bit. Then we're going to add in our carrots, saute that up a little bit. And then we're going to add in some black pepper. And then our garlic. And then we're going to remove that and start with a clean pan. If you haven't already, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now we're going to add some egg. And we're just going to let this cook a little bit, not too much. Just move it around a little bit, get it all cooked around. Take it off the heat because the residual heat from the pan will cook the eggs and you don't want to overcook them. Alright, now we're going to add our onions and our carrots. Get that in there. And then we're going to add our Spam and bacon. And get that tossed up. Saute it up a little bit. And then we're going to make a little circle in the center for our rice. We're going to add our rice right into that center. Just like that. White and brown rice mixed. Probably 1-to-1 ratio. We're going to break it up just a little bit because it was cold. And then we're going to add our fried rice sauce. Just a little bit to get it working, get that steam going, to bring back the rice from the cold that it was in. And you want to saute just a little bit, super quick, give it a good couple tosses, get everything worked together, and we're going to add a little bit more. And it's just looking great. Keep it moving. You don't want it to sit. We want to add our black pepper. And then we're going to taste, right? Taste everything. Just taste everything. And it tastes good. So now we're going to add in some sesame seed oil. Make sure it's hot. We're going to add our kimchi. And we're going to saute our kimchi up in the sesame seed oil. It's going to add a great flavor profile, and it's going to help the kimchi break down. So it's not super crunchy, but it's not soft. Once we get that boiling a little bit and all the juices come out, we're going to add in the fried rice we just made, and we're going to do about half of what we made. We're going to get that tossed together, worked up. Moved around, nothing crazy, right? So if your regular fried rice had great flavor, this is just going to be an exceptionally flavored kimchi fried rice. Look at that. Now again, taste it, and it's good to go. And here you have our kimchi fried rice and our regular fried rice with our green onion garnish. It looks beautiful. So we have the kimchi fried rice on the left and the fried rice on the right. Amazing and simple. What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed my skit in the beginning. No hate to anybody, but kitchen life is crazy. So here we got our fried rice and our kimchi fried rice. Super quick, super easy. I took the steps to fry the bacon and the Spam in the bacon fat to add some more texture to your fried rice. I don't really see too many places doing that. So it's an extra addition and it changes the texture and it makes it so good. The oyster sauce and the shoyu and the sugar is just a great blend to make a delicious fried rice. The kimchi, in my opinion, needs to be sauteed with sesame oil. And that's what I did. But if you don't like sesame oil, you can do whatever oil. You just got to cook it down for a little bit. Ooh, and that kimchi, and that kimchi was extra sour, so it's got some good flavor. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying tuned.